Hey guys, it's September 19th, 4:30, and it's been snowing since around 1:45 today. I know Philly and Washington D.C. got over 2 feet of snow already from last night into this morning, and it's not much. I don't think it's the coating outside now, but it'll probably last until tomorrow morning. You can see the snow. Not that deep, you can see. It's just slippery, that's it. I'm using the Canon FS100. I'm also on the snow setting mode. Take a look over there, see how it looks when it's blowing snow. Some people shouldn't be out when they're out, but it's not that bad, so like Washington or Carolinas or even Virginia, they got really bad part of the snowstorm. Even South Jersey, Atlantic City was getting 60 miles an hour winds. Okay guys, 3 minutes into the video. That's probably just about enough because it's the same old traffic, cars going by. A little bit of flurries of snow actually. Some blowing snow you can see. That's it. For now. Wait a minute, see how fast this car's going pretty slow now. Now it's gonna start. Good. Okay guys, I'm using the Canon FS100 right now. Hope this stays in focus. I know the Canon one has a lot of purple dots at night. I had a lot of comments on that last year. I'm not sure why that occurs. Maybe nighttime the sensor can't focus or adjust maybe to the colorness. I don't know. I never told Canon about it, because the camcorder works excellent in daytime, but no camcorder I own is perfect at night, except for one. But it's not a camcorder, it's a camera. This is Sony CyberShot DSC W290, and that is a perfect camera. If I keep it still like this, you can see purple dots, and you think it's snowing out, and it is, but the dot dots are like flickering. You see that? Because it's not snowing that hard. You can see right there. Purple dots are like flashing. Purple and green dots. Maybe it's a pixel problem with the camera. Let me get to a spot by the light. See how hard it is. Or yeah, oh, with the snow. I don't know if I can find it now. I got Canon JVC. Yeah, see, it's flurries right now. That's all it is. Oh, wait a minute. Okay. But I don't know. 2 minutes of this video is enough, I think. I'm gonna put these both in one length, one timeline instead of separate. So JVC and Canon will be in the same video when playback. And any comments, just make them so maybe you can find out why there's purple dots and green dots, small tiny ones with this nighttime usage of Canon FS100, and why am I having problems focusing at night with the JVC since I owned it since the summertime. That doesn't make sense. Wow. Last year. Okay guys, that's about it. Let's see how far I can get to that light over there if I stay focused. Okay guys, wrapping it up now. Thanks for watching. December 19th, about 25 minutes till 12. It is 11:30, December 19th. It's been snowing since 1:45 this afternoon. As you can see, the plows came several times today into the night. You still see snowing still, see? And I believe the plow is coming again. Coming down Heckman. Let's see. There he is. Yep. There's a plow. Try to zoom in again on the snow to know how this is autofocus very easily. Apologize for that. See right there, that's where it gets really out of whack. Okay. I am using the JVC. Let me try to switch it on night mode, because this is really, I'm supposed to be doing this. Well, you can see we have several inches out here at the moment. I'm right back. Okay guys, I am back with the JVC in night mode. Let's see how this does. Snow is coming down still. You see the snow.